Start.
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. Yes, this is your maths lecture. Open your maths notebook. This date, write down. Okay, I have some cutouts with me. So you have to identify the shape of this cutout. So what is this? Very good. This is a square. Okay. What is this? Rectangle. Rectangle, yes. This one? Rhombus. Rhombus. Correct. And this one? Trapezium. Trapezium. Yes, good. See, all these four figures, cutouts, having four sides, right? So today we are going to see a property of quadrilateral. Quadri means four and lateral means sides. So the topic is quadrilateral. Okay. Suppose this is the square ABCD. Gadi, come here. This is the protector, and with the help of this, you have to measure this angle A, B, C, and D. Yes. Okay. Then measure of angle A. Okay. Okay, very good. So all the angles of this square is the 90 degree. So we can write down here measure of angle A, measure of angle B, measure of angle C, and measure of angle D. All are 90 degree. Okay. Now this is the rectangle. Suppose this is the rectangle P, Q, R, S. Again, you have to measure all the angle with this protector.
R is 90 degree. S is 90 degree. P is 90 degree and Q is 90.
Okay, very good. So the measure of angle P, measure of angle Q, measure of angle R, and measure of angle S. All are the 90 degree here. Now this is the rhombus. Suppose this is the W, X, Y, and Z. Again you have to measure the angles. No. Okay. Then this one. Properly. Okay. This is 100. Okay. This is 100. Yes. Here measure of angle W, then measure of angle X, measure of angle Y, and measure of angle Z. Measure of angle W is 100 degree. Then X 80 degree. Then Y 80 degree. And Z is 100 degree. Very good. Now this is the trapezium. So this is the trapezium. Suppose L, M, N and K. So come here and measure all the angles. Yes.
100 degree. 100 degree.
Okay. 20 degree. Yes, very good. Again, we will write down measure of angle L, then measure of angle M, measure of angle N, and measure of angle K. This is L is 100 degree. Then M, measure of angle M is also 100 degree. Then measure of angle N is 80 degree. And measure of angle K is also 80 degree. Okay. Now we will do the addition of all these angles. When we will add all these four angles A, B, C, D, then we will get addition. What is the addition of this four angles?
360 degree.
Yes, 360 degree. Then when we add this four angle P, Q, R, S, then what will be the addition?
360 degree.
Yes, very good. Same way, when we add this angle W, X, Y and Z, then what will be the addition?
360 degree.
Yes. It is also a 360 degree. Then addition of this L, M, N and K.
360 degree.
Okay, very good. Okay, now see carefully, observe these carefully, and what similarities you will find here.
Sum of all the figures are 360 degree.
Sum of all the figures.
Coordinates.
No. Sum of all these are the angles, right? Sum of all these interior angle is how many?
360.
360 degree. Yes, very good. So this is nothing but the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Okay. So what is the angle sum property of quadrilateral?
The sum of angle of quadrilaterals are 360 degree.
Okay, write down this property in your notebook. Angle sum property. property with another example. Okay, this is another cutout of quadrilateral with me. So you have to measure the angles, interior angles, and tell me the sum. Okay, with the help of protractor, you have to measure that. Yes, measure it properly. Yes, Gargi, what is the sum?
360.
Okay, very good. So here we verify this rule with another example, right? So write down the rule of angle sum property. Sum of all interior angles of quadrilateral is what? Is 360 degree. Yes. Okay. Note down this rule in your notebook. Okay. Now on this rule, on this property, we are going to solve some examples. Yes, this is the problem. Example, that find the angle, measure x in the following figure. So the here quadrilateral ABCD is given. What is the measure of angle A?
50 degree.
Yes. What is the measure of angle D?
X.
D.
130.
Yes. What is the measure of angle C?
120.
Okay. And what is the measure of angle B?
X.
And we have to find out the measure of angle B, right? Okay, I will show you how to calculate. As we know, the angle sum property of quadrilateral, that is all the sum of all the interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. So for solving, we can write down by angle sum property of quadrilateral what we can write down? Measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C plus measure of angle D is equal to 360 degree, right? Yes. Then what is the measure of angle A?
50 degree.
Yes, it is 50 degree. Then angle B we have to calculate. So we write down it as the X. Then measure of angle C is 120 degree. And measure of angle D is 130 degree. Is equal to 360 degree. So we have to add these three angles, right? So what is the addition of this? 120 plus 130 plus 50. What will be the addition? 300. Yes. 300 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then to calculate this measure of angle B, we have to do the subtraction. 360 minus 300, then we will get the answer 60 degree. So what will be the measure of angle B?
60 degree.
Yes, that is the 60 degree. Measure of angle B is equal to 60 degree. Yes. another example to solve. You have to solve it in your notebook. Yes. See here. Find the angle measure x in the following figure. Here, one quadrilateral is given PSRQ. Okay, and the exterior angle of OPS is given 90 degree, and you have to calculate the measure of angle S. So try. Gargi, you can come and solve on blackboard. Take this job. By angle sum property of quadrilateral, what we can write down?
Measure of angle R.
Okay. Measure of angle
S.
S.
Measure of angle
P. Q. Yes, very good.
R 70.
Yes, that is 70 degree. How you calculate the measure of angle P? That is 90 degree.
That is opposite to that angle. So straight angle measure is always 180
180 degree, right? So the measure of angle SPO is given, that is 90 degree. So the measure of angle SPQ will be 90 degree, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to add this one.
Yes. Do addition. Okay, what is the measure of angle S?
140 degree.
Yes, your answer is right. Correct. Okay. So, in this way, today we learn the angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay?
Yes.
Wait, I have to ask some question. Just a minute. Okay. Now tell me, what is the angle sum property of quadrilateral?
Sum of angles of the quadrilateral is
Sum of all interior angles, okay, not exterior, interior angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay, now another question. If the addition of three angles of quadrilateral is 310, then what will be the measure of another angle?
50 degree.
Okay, very good. 50 degree. Now, the another question, you have to solve it in your notebook. Yes. The angle of quadrilaterals are 3x plus 2 degree, then x minus 3 degree, 2x plus 1 degree and 2x plus 5 degree respectively. Then you have to find the value of x and measure of each angle. Okay? So solve it in your notebook. Okay. By using angle sum property, what we have to do? We have to add all these 4 angles. So addition will be 360 degree. Then we can add the similar factors, that is 3x we can add with the x, then again that add with the 2x, right? Then we will get the answer 10x plus 10 is equal to 360 degree. So by calculating this we get x is equal to 35 degree, and this x we have to place the value of x again. Yes, in this way we can calculate the measures of all the 4 angles, right? Okay. Now homework for you. The angle sum property of quadrilateral by an activity. So this is the homework for you. Okay.